Tables are structured set of data. Now we have seen tables in softwares like spreadsheets and other examples. We also have them in HTML. A table is made up of rows, which are horizontal, and columns, which are vertical. And we can have different looks, different styles of a table, but all of them are still tables, even though they look different. In a table, the smallest container is called a cell. In HTML, we can call that table data. In this example, we have 3 cells in a row. We're going to look at the code and how the code works together to display a table similar to this.